Hi, welcome back to Interactive French Practice, session number 7. My name is Lisiane, and I'm your French teacher over at thefrenchcompass.com. In this session, we're going to review interrogative pronouns. Exercise number 1. Remember that the sentence is first given in English and you are asked to translate it into French. In this exercise, you will often see two answers. The second answer is usually a more familiar way of asking the same question. Let's get started with sentence number 1. What's his name? Answer. Comment est-ce qu'il s'appelle? Comment est-ce qu'il s'appelle? Another way of asking this question would be quel est son nom? Quel est son nom? Or c'est quoi son nom? C'est quoi son nom? As I mentioned, both are more familiar. Sentence number 2. Why are you here? Formal or plural? Why are you here? Answer. Pourquoi est-ce que vous êtes là? Pourquoi est-ce que vous êtes là? In this context, là means the same like ici. Sentence number 3. Who are you speaking with? Informal. Who are you speaking with? Answer. Avec qui est-ce que tu parles? Avec qui est-ce que tu parles? A more familiar way of asking this question would be tu parles avec qui? Tu parles avec qui? Sentence number 4. What are they talking about? Answer. De quoi est-ce qu'ils parlent? De quoi est-ce qu'ils parlent? Again, you could also ask, il parle de quoi? Il parle de quoi? Exercise number 2. Sentence number 1. Where are we going? Answer. Où est-ce qu'on va? Où est-ce qu'on va? Again, a more familiar way of asking this question would be on va où? On va où? Sentence number 2. Who's at the door? Answer. Qui est-ce qui est à la porte? Qui est-ce qui est à la porte? Again, a more familiar way of asking this question would be qui est à la porte? Qui est à la porte? Sentence number 3. What do you think? Formal or plural? What do you think? Answer. Qu'est-ce que vous pensez? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez? Another way of asking this question that's also more familiar would be vous pensez quoi? Vous pensez quoi? Sentence number 4. Why is he late? Answer. Pourquoi est-ce qu'il est en retard? Pourquoi est-ce qu'il est en retard? Exercise number 3. Sentence number 1. How are they? Answer. Comment est-ce qu'ils vont? Comment est-ce qu'ils vont? Again, another way of asking this would be ils vont comment? Ils vont comment? Sentence number 2. What do you want to do? Informal. What do you want to do? Answer. Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? Again, another way of asking this question would be tu veux faire quoi? Tu veux faire quoi? Sentence number 3. Who's this letter for? Answer. Pour qui est cette lettre? Pour qui est cette lettre? Again, you could also ask, cette lettre est pour qui? Cette lettre est pour qui? And sentence number 4, when are you coming? Formal or plural? When are you coming? Answer. Quand est-ce que vous venez? Quand est-ce que vous venez? Again, you could also ask, vous venez quand? Vous venez quand? All right, that was all for today. Thank you so much for taking part. Remember that you can download the PDF of this exercise at thefrenchcompass.com/interactivefrench. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye.